Segunda presentación. Number 1. Cottage. They have 2 cottages near the lake. Number 2. Keyboard. The keyboard is not working. 3. Collect. I collect stamps from every country. 4. Degree. The right angle is 90 degrees. 5. Science. Science has made great advancements. 6. Sometimes drink coffee. 7. Violinist. My son is a violinist. Fork. Can I have a fork? 9. Microwave. Unfreeze the chicken in the microwave. 10. Ink. Please write in ink. 11. Boss. You decide. You are the boss. 12. Shot. Let's have a shot. 13. Medal. The gold medal went to Colombia. 14. Hamburger. Can I have hamburger for dinner tonight? 15. My screen is not working properly. This is the end.